Merlin here. Well, we've made a lot of progress today. We got all the foam cleared out of the hull. We made some braces under there, and we actually positioned where the lift duct will be. What we'll still have to do is, once we get the lift duct cut out, we're going to have to close this in so that the air, doesn't escape out the front. But yeah, we've made good progress here. Got a nice panel cut out. We actually set this 17.5 horsepower engine across the frame on those two pieces of box tubing, just to see if we could center it and position it. I don't know if I'll use that engine or not. It's pretty heavy. But anyway, I got it to where it fit all the way back into here. So that put the edge of my lift fan 6 inches back. So anyway, it's been a productive day. Pretty tired, as you can tell, because I'm yawning. But yeah, it's coming out like I envisioned it. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.